Hi, I'm Angie and I study T-level in Design, Survey and Planning. Well, I wanted to start a path in architecture and I thought this course would make me just elevate my skills and everything within construction. I went to Camborne International Science Academy. Gives you a further background into the professional route such as architecture, so you get a bit of every experience of different jobs, so it's pretty cool. Well, T-level is a course that mainly have a lot of theory work, but also you get a percentage of work placement, so a day of your week should be on site on something. I'm gonna go to Plymouth Uni to start architecture and hope I find an apprenticeship throughout that route during the uni time and go from there. I'd say it's really unique and fulfilling in a way. Invest more in your path and what you actually want to do, then look into the courses, because this one's more for higher construction professionals, more ones with the techie sort of people, so all varies. Just try it out. I mean, you won't know what you're doing unless you try it, so might as well.